question, our friend says, Shalom LevLeib. I wonder if an anklet is modest for women.
Anklet, the thing that she put on the ankle?
Yeah, like a bracelet, but on the
bracelet, yeah. I mean, if it does not attract attention, usually those things were done to attract attention. Right? That's was the purpose. And usually women would sometimes not modest women, right? They would wear belts on the ankle, so every time they step, there is some sound, so everybody would look at her. So that was the original design of this ankle bracelets. And some of them would have a perfume, right? So under her foot, right? Like it was an ankle bracelet. There's a piece of rope or something like that attached to this bottle, or not a bottle, some kind of container, probably soft. And with every step, she would like squeeze it, and the perfume would be released. So everybody would not notice. So I would say it's immodest, right? Because it is taking root in olden practices. And plus, like if our goal like for women not to attract attention, so this golden or sparkle, if it's not gold but some sparkle ankle bracelet, for sure is going to attract attention. She needs at least attention as possible. For her husband, if she likes it, yeah, there is no problem, she can wear, but outside I would say no. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So on this issue of attracting others' attention, so considering a woman is also allowed to be pretty for herself, especially a single woman, like not too much, as Rabbi Ruben Shlita says, not.
Okay, yes.
So how can she recognize or know where to stop? I mean, meaning how much, what would be like I don't know how can she spot whether she's doing something for the sake of getting attention of others, or she's doing just for being like presentable and pretty? How can she spot the thin line between these two scenarios?
So that's a very good question. I think by you can judge by how much time she was spent on this thing. So if it's like quickly to check if she's presentable, like professional, wherever she goes to work in the office, yeah, that's I don't think it should take more than 10-15 minutes. That's it. But if it takes half an hour, and now this blush and that's too much. That's already she's crossing the line. I mean, if she's going to a date, there is no problem. She can use whatever makeup she wants. That's her own business, right? But because it is for constructive purpose, right? So it's she wants to attract attention. There is no problem of that specific person, right? That her goal is that he's going to like her. That's normal. But if she's trying to attract attention of people that like not for constructive purpose, that's the issue. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.